Okay, Year 7, so I'm going to show you how to start working through the PDFs on Scratch, which are going to guide you through how to navigate around Scratch and how to start making your own games and animations using the sprites that are available and that you can design. So you get onto the Year 7 Moodle page by logging onto Moodle, which you can get to via the school website. And then when you log in using the same username and password that you use at school, you should be presented with a home screen that looks like this, and you should have a list of courses that you're enrolled on as part of your school timetable. If you don't have any courses on this list, it's not a problem. Just see Mr. Whiting as soon as you can, and I'll get you put on there. So you should be able to see this Year 7 ICT page. If you click on that link, it will take you to our computer science page, which you'll see has a variety of different resources on there. It's got some information about an introduction, and then it's got a series of tasks which you're going to work through over the next couple of weeks and months. Okay, so we're going to start with task 1. On task 1, it's got a really brief description, and it says this task involves working through the handout and making your sprite move around and interact with their surroundings. It's got a PDF document that you can download and you can work through. It's also got a chat room whereby you can start to help each other. So if your teacher isn't available, if you just click on the how to chat room, in fact I'll do it now, you can add a new topic for discussion, and you can say, how do you change the colour of your background, or whatever your question is. Okay, then you put some more information, or you can just copy and paste the question into your message. You can send me notifications if you want to. If you want to put a screenshot or a copy of the program itself that you're using, you can do that so that other people can have a look, and then you can press post to forum. Okay, now every time you get a post, or you might be reading through and you might be able to answer someone else's questions, you just click on the question itself and then you press reply, and you can type your response. So you add a new background by blah blah blah. Okay, and then again post that to the forum, and be as detailed as you want. You might put some step-by-step instructions on there. You might put a link to a website which gives that information, and you'll see that it comes in a chain now, and other people will be able to access that information as well. Okay, so back to our page. That's the chat room, and that's the how-to room, and we've put a how-to room on each of the tasks, so you'll be able to access all that information, whether someone else is online at the same time or not. And then when you've finished your program, you're going to upload it here. Really simple task uploading. When you click on the button, yours will look slightly different to mine, because obviously I'm the teacher that set it. Looks slightly different to mine. Yours will say add submission. You can click on add submission, and then all you're going to do is you're going to find where you've saved your program. You're going to click and drag it, put it in there so it displays, and then press save changes. Yours will again look slightly different. I've just pulled in something that's handy on my desktop. Okay, so on to the first task now. If I click on the PDF, you'll see there's lots of text that I want you to have a read through, so you can start to understand what Scratch does and how it works. And then you'll see the first step here, which talks you through the different areas of your document. Okay, you're going to be using a program which is called Scratch, and it looks like this. You can download Scratch for free from this website, which is scratch.mit.edu, and you can put /scratch_1.4 if you want to. There are other versions available, and then all you do is you choose whether you're using a Mac like I am, using a Windows machine, or you're using another platform, Ubuntu. There are some other questions that you might need to have a read through there as well, but dead simple. It's free of charge as well, so I recommend that you have a look at that. And then when you're on Scratch, the instructions that you want your sprite to follow are in here, and all you're going to do is to click and drag them into this area. But if you read your instructions on your PDF document that you're going to follow through, it will tell you all about that, how to open it, how to work through. And the good thing is, as I say, you can download this document for this program for free. You can work on it at home, and you can also put it on a pen drive and work on it from a pen drive. Good luck with it. Any questions, please post them to the chat forum.